All right. So on this episode of Ask the Expert, we have Howard Partridge of Phenomenal Business Coaching. We have actually heard from Howard before. It's been a while, but we all know who he is. Howard, why don't you tell us a bit about who you are?
You bet. Well, I started my cleaning business out of the trunk of my car November 2nd of 1984. It'll be 39 years this year.
My
And when I
goodness.
first started my business out of the trunk of my car, I provided great service and I learned everything that I needed to learn about the cleaning business and technology and all that. Was, great cleaner. But I really wanted to grow a business, but I felt stuck in that business. And I had 7 employees, but I want to have a better business. I want to have a bigger business. And I worked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And then I learned in 1997, I learned what I call today the secrets of a phenomenal business, how to grow a business, not just be the best cleaner. And I transformed that business into a multi-million-dollar business, still on it today. Got a great team, great systems in place, very high-end residential cleaning company. And for the last 25 years, I've been teaching other people how to do the same thing.
Yes. And that's important. And if you want to grow, I'm telling you, you want to listen to him. So, Howard, you are doing a full day workshop on how to build your dream business. Tell us
Yes.
about that.
Okay. So most small business owners in any business, and of course the cleaning business is the same as it was true for me. I like to ask people this question. Do you remember why you went into business for yourself to start with? Was it to make a lot of money, or was it really to be your own boss, chart your own course, have a little more free time? Yeah, right. The brutal reality of most small business owners' lives is you feel like a prisoner of that business. Your day is consumed putting out brush fires. It's like playing whack-a-mole. If you ever, that whack-a-mole, like
Yeah.
the little,
All day you're
yeah, the little prairie dog or whatever it is pops up, and you gotta, and then another one pops up. That's what the business owner's life is like, and that's what it was like for me. And so in this full day seminar, and I've taught people all over the world. I've helped cleaning businesses go from zero to millions of dollars a year, sell their business, get at what we call predictable, profitable turnkey. And the way you do that is first you got to have systems. And so we're going to cover 5 different systems that you need to have in your business. First is marketing, and you're going to learn how we generate over $1 million a year in referrals without online ads, without spending a dime on advertising through our referral program. You're going to learn how we do $3 million a year in repeat business, how to get your customers to refer you and keep coming back. We're going to teach you how to get your people to sell more. We're going to teach you how to get your team how to build systems so that your team can provide the level of service that you want them to provide without you having to control everything. And we're going to teach you how to boost your profits too, right? So a lot of cleaners and restoration companies aren't making enough money, and we work in the cleaning industry, restoration industry, across the board. And most importantly, leadership. How do you find great people to work for you? How do you attract them? How do you get them on your team? How do you develop them? How do you lead them? And it's going to be a full day. I charge $1,000 an hour for consulting, $10,000 a day, and you're going to be with me all day long. This particular event has changed so many business owners' lives, and people have literally transformed, revolutionized their business. So come and be with me for the day. I'll show you how to get your business organized, how to systematize it. Listen, you can be the best cleaner in the world and be broke. You can be the best cleaner in the world, the best restoration company, and go crazy because you're just a firefighter. You're just putting out fires all day long. So I'm going to show you how to get your business smooth, how you can have more time with your family, how you can make more money, and what I call predictable, profitable, and turnkey. We're going to spend the day together on Tuesday. I believe it's the 5th, right?
Yep. September 5th.
Great.
Tuesday, September 5th. So You guys heard it here. I will tell you, I have sat in one of his workshops. It wasn't all day, but I learned something. And I'm telling you, I can't even imagine what it would be like sitting in a workshop with him all day, getting all of those goods. So you really want to be there at the experience September 6th through the 8th. But again, his workshop is September 5th. There are a lot of other workshops as well, but this one, I mean, you just want to be there. You want to be there September 5th. You want to be there September 5th. So we'll say September 5th through the 8th instead of the 6th through the 8th. So
Yeah.
yes, make sure that you
One
go
more
online and
thing.
register.
Yeah. One more thing too, is that if you want to grow your business, right now today, I have 36 team members in my cleaning business. Okay. Everybody from technicians to inside salespeople to marketing people to managers to directors. You can ask me any question you want about building your business. We'll have the whole day together. Any question, all the questions you want to ask me. I've been there. I've done it. I'll help people just like you. So what's the website that they go to?
They go to rnrmagonline.com/the-experience-convention to register.
Yeah. I'll be there. I've been speaking actually at this convention since I think 24 years now. And this may be the last pre-conference workshop I do. I don't know, but I'm getting older. I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. We still want you.
I know, but don't wait another year. Don't wait a whole year to take your business to the next level.
That's it. Don't wait a whole year.